What if I told you there's a way to create a stunning accent wall on a budget with minimum skills? This video I'm going to share step-by-step guide to create a stunning accent wall that will instantly elevate your living room, dining space, bedroom or any space you have. Look at the TV media room accent wall. It took like half a day to make it. Very simple design. You can see the left part is with wood strip, middle part with decorative board and the bottom part with two pieces of IKEA drawers. With a piece of LED, it becomes like a dream TV media room. I applied some of the new ideas later, like this one. On the left side with LED COB light, which is called COB light. On the major part of it, upholstery fabric, still crossing between the real mirror, adding some LED on the back, made it perfect for a TV media room, isn't it? Look at this one. I tried full mirror setup in the dining room with a simple mirror cutting skills. With the right tools, you can make it within 4 hours. Today I will show you a very simple idea which will give you the best look of your living area with a couple of hours of hard work. I will tell you step by step what I did for this project and explain you how I did it. You need few things for this project. You need acrylic mirror sheet, which you can order from any local store and ask them cut into pieces. You need a cutting tool. I used a multi-tool. You can use hex blade too. You need a chalk lining tool and a double-sided tape like Gorilla tape I use for this project. First, get the height and width of the wall and design what I want to do with measurement so that I can order the item to make it. Then I ordered 3mm acrylic mirror from the local vendor. They charged me $300 for it and I asked them to cut it into 2" by 96" each. Now we mark the entire wall according to the design. This is the hardest part of the job. I use chalk line to make a mark to the wall. Once the entire wall has been marked, life is easy. We just cut longest distance piece first and put the Gorilla double-sided tape place into the design work. We try to dry fit each pieces before placing it so that we don't have any gap. When we cut it, we try to sand the edge of each part so that we don't have any debris. Piece by piece, we're getting a shape to the wall we wanted to make. At last, we added a mirror in the middle to make it more presentable. Thanks for watching.